Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today got here the NEMO or the MSA-003 NEMO from the Zeta Gundam. So this is the grunt suit from the AEUG or the Anti-Earth Union group. And you know what? I became a fan of the AEUG now, so I'm starting to collect, or I'm collecting now, the AEUG kits, and this is my grunt suit for that, since I had the Rick Diaz already. So this will be my next on my list. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this MSA-003 NEMO has to offer us collectors from Virano. So there we go, we got here this very small box for this grunt suit here, 1/100 scale master grade. And this is the NEMO, and I like the color of the NEMO here. It's a green, blue, and I like the shield and the appearance also. So honestly, I don't like grunt suits, but since I want to complete the AEUG lineup, and most sporting character from the AEUG use this kit, like Katsu Kobayashi and other female protagonist or sporting character, I need to buy this and collect this. Okay, so the side of the box here, you can see a very nice green model kit here, mobile suit. So what I like with the color is this is green, and it reminds me of the Leo from the Gundam Wing series. And of course, the color green for grunt suit is really sexy. I like the color of green for them. So there's the NEMO model kit, and the front view, rear view, you can see here, very simple kit. And the frame there is very simple as well. There's a cockpit as well, and the weaponry here is minimal, which is very nice. I like that. I much like kits with very minimal armaments. So there we go. If we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. So let's focus first with the instruction manual. We got this NEMO and the logo of the AEUG or the Anti-Earth Union group. And it's a mass productive mobile suit with the face here, side view. And for the assembling process here, you can see how this kit must be assembled, and very easy kit to build. And there we go, we got to build the face, the head like that, and the arms, the hands. It's not that hard to build, very easy kit to build. Okay, so there we got those green parts, those inner frame. Okay, and there we go, we got those waist, the feet, the legs, something like that, and the armaments, the shield, the beam rifle, okay, and the decal placement. Okay, so very cool. So let's go with the packs here. It's not that much, by the way. So we got the first pack here with some polycaps there, and we got this runner here for the runner A, and there we got yellow colored human there, and there gray parts, okay, green parts. I like the shade of green for this kit. I really like the green color. And this one, we got the parts for the feet and beam sabers, and there we got the inner frame and the other stuff here for the inner frames. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here the multicolored runner here for green parts, blue parts or dark blue parts, and yellow, with this clear orange piece for the visor. So this is the runner A runner. Then we got here gray parts for the inner frame, which is runner F, and we got two sets of runner F here for the gray parts. For the green parts, we got here runner D, two sets of runner D here, very nice shade of green. Then we got here this red parts for runner C. Then we got this polycaps PC 126. Okay, then we got here this runner E for dark blue parts. We got two sets of this, and finally we got the runner B here for this large gray pieces here. Then we got this very nice clear green beam saber effect parts. For the decals here, we got dry transfer and the sticker decals included. Okay, so let's build this kit. And so we got the finished product of NEMO, NEMO, and this very green and blue colored model kit or mobile suit from Zeta Gundam. The color is nice, but for me it needs to have these decals to make it lively and not boring. To be honest, this green here is not the expected green that I want, because here in the instruction manual you can see this very light green. I really like the color green here, but the actual, of course, you can see it's different. So this light is a bit darker, and the blue, dark blue colored accents here make it more darker in appearance. So if you're going to display it on the shelf where your shelf is having dark color schemes, this will not shine out because of this kind of color scheme. The only thing you will see, of course, is the yellow parts there. We got the minimal yellow part, which is this one on the shield, two on the vents, and one on the forehead. Very simple kit. I just finished this within 30 minutes. This is very easy to build. If you're a beginner Gunpla modeler in 1/100 scale or master grade scale, this kit is really for you. So let's compare it first with my other model kit here. So Tang NEMO here is being compared with Zaku, Char Zaku. So they are of the same height. And what if we compare it with the Galgug? So Galgug, of course, is larger than the NEMO. And if we're going to compare it with other grunts like the Slash Zaku here from Gundam Seed, Slash Zaku is a bit shorter in terms of head height with the NEMO. And if we're going to compare it with the average master grade or a model kit here from Full Mechanics Ariel JMS, they are almost the same height. So we go with the articulation. So articulation here is very nice. Actually, I really miss this kind of model kits that Bandai produce, where the complexity and difficulty of building the kit is not that much like that. So you can see this is very simple. As I say, 30 minutes I finished this kit. For the head here, the head can rotate, but with the minimal fashion because of this kind of cheek guards that often hampers with the collar here. Okay, so there, just be careful with that. And it can look up and look down and side to side. Okay, so for the shoulders, shoulder can move 360 degrees. It can raise. Damn those motorcycles again. So there we got this shoulder raise like that. Okay, very nice. And for the shoulder armor can also extend further like that. Okay, then the biceps can rotate 360 degrees, and this elbow can bend 180 degrees. Very nice bend, as you can see. And what I like with this elbow here, it got this armor part covering, armor piece there, being covered, covering the joint. Okay, so for the waist can move side to side, can also rotate in this fashion. And the side skirt, of course, this is a 2006 model, so the side skirt or the front skirt doesn't have any details, or there's no gray piece underneath, which looks like the Gundam Mark II 2.0. So very minimal and very boring there. Okay, so the side skirts also doesn't have anything underneath, and there doesn't have anything. For the back skirt doesn't move at all, but there's a slot for the beam saber. So there we can open that for you to remove those beam saber handles there. Okay, so you can see the handles are large, yeah, compared with the average beam saber or beam saber handle from other kits. This is large, around the size of the Yakushiki beam saber handle. Okay. So there we can close it like this. Then for the legs is on ball joint, so ball and the socket there. So there's a minimal movement and minimal split. The split will be in this kind of manner. Then you can raise this one, you can kick forward like that, kick backward up to this far. Then no rotation on the thigh because this is a solid block there. For the knees, it can bend double jointed also, but this booster here will hamper the flex motion of that knee. And here the booster can raise there, can raise this booster and expose those red parts. Actually, this red part here you need to paint to make it more detailed and more complex looking. But if you don't paint yet, this will look like a bland red verniers here. Also, the vernier on the back, you can see it's all red. For the feet can swivel side to side thanks to the ball joint there, and can do some plantar flex, plantar extend, and also can move it like this, move it like that, and you can see the piston play there underneath. So the only downside that I can see on this kit is the more you play with this ball joints here, the more it will get loose in the long run, and also make it more unstable when standing. Okay, so underneath the feet is a red sole, and we got boosters there. Okay, so very nice combination, color combination. You can see red here, then blue, and green on the plantar or the dorsum part of the foot. Okay, so the gun, you can slot it here on the side. So I'm planning to give him weapons from my Mark II, especially the Mark II from the band, where the guns are not necessary, especially for the Super Gundam, because it has the super cannon there. So I might give or donate the guns from Super Gundam to this guy, I will give him the rocket launcher, the bazooka, then the other spare magazine or ammo for the bazooka. Then I will give him also the gun of the Gundam Mark II. So this one, this very little rifle here, I will just make it reserved for him. Okay. So there we got this very cute and tiny rifle here with handle underneath, and this is very small. Yeah. Okay. So this is just a normal kit, very simple kit. Good way to start master grade for those who are interested with the master grade collection. So good start for you. And we got this pilot figure included, which is this yellow guy here, generic pilot figure. I just noticed that this figure is a bit larger or taller compared with the other kits pilot figure from master grade. So there, this is the Nemo from Bandai master grade, released in 2006. A must buy for beginners. So thank you so much. See you next time. Goodbye, God bless. Take care. Tang Inemo.